Hi guys, my name is Nuri. Welcome to our channel. Yes, Ammu and Nuri's channel. Yay! Today we will talk about our personal body parts. Okay, I tell you
how to protect
our personal body parts. Okay, how to protect our personal body parts. We have 5 personal body parts. Names are our lips, our cheeks, our lips, our cheeks, our chest, our under our legs, our hip. These are 5 or 6 things we have, and I say you that anyone touch on your personal body parts, lips, your cheeks, your chest, your under legs and your hip. You said no. Why are you touching my personal body parts? Why are you touching my personal body parts?
Okay.
This is your right to say
No.
To say no.
Okay.
This is your right.
Okay.
Do not be shy. Please say no. This is your right.
If doctors touches your body parts, then
Doctors touch our personal body parts.
to examine.
Example means of this is a doctor. He touched me on my personal body parts with her
Stethoscope or something.
stethoscope.
If parents are present, then he or she can touch our personal body parts to
Yes,
examine.
Yes.
Okay. And what about your teachers?
Our teacher does. We also say no. Please do not touch our personal body parts. Or
Okay. And other than teachers, if our neighbors or some other one.
Our family, our chachus, our halu, our anyone in our family is a boy. Say no. Why are you touching my personal body parts?
If someone touch, then what should you do? Should you shout?
No, I don't shout. I shout.
And
And
run from there?
I slap on her face.
Okay.
And will touch me.
Okay, and you will should.
Be brave.
Okay, that's good. And what do you think if someone touches your personal body parts, you should tell your mother or your father?
Yes, sure. I tell my mother and my father.
Okay, that's good. Okay, anything you want to share with your friends?
Only one thing. You want to be careful. Okay.
Okay.
Anyone touch your personal body parts, please say no. Why are you touching my personal body parts?
That's
It's
good.
my right to say you no. Why are you touching my personal body parts?
Okay, thank you very much for this message.
Thank you. Do not be shy. Please do not be shy. Please do not be shy. If you like this, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye, guys. Comment down below. Did you like this video and give a thumbs up? Bye.
Bye.